Hey folks, welcome back to Cybrosys Technology. Today, let's walk through how to turn a support request into a sale opportunity in Odoo Helpdesk module. And we're going to navigate into the Helpdesk module. You can simply go to the Helpdesk module. Here we have the dashboard, right? So we'll start by creating a Helpdesk ticket for the customer who is asking for the product guidance. So let's start by there. Head over to the ticket section and here we have all ticket. Let's create one, right? Here we have the form of the tickets and I'm giving the title as like need help choosing the right product package. All right. And here we have a number of configure options also, like we can give this to the Helpdesk team and we can assign this to a person, let it be Michelle admin, and we can prioritize this ticket using the stars and prioritizing this an urgent thing, and we can easily put the tags for easy searchability. And here we have the customer information session. We can select the customer from here. Let it be like Deco Addict, and here we have the phone number is auto-populated because we can say that the customer information is pre-recorded in Odoo database, so that's why this is auto-populated. And let's save this manually. All right, and let's move back whether this is created or not. Let's see this as the Kanban view. Yeah, here it is already created, right? So let's click on there. And we need to convert this thing to an opportunity because it have some kind of things. Like we can say the customer is showing intent to purchase and they are asking for pricing and product comparison, and this is clearly a pre-sale inquiry, not a technical support issue. So we can convert this particular ticket into an opportunity, right? So once we decided, we can easily click on the button which is called convert opportunity, right? So while clicking here we can see another visa just open, right? So here we have the customer information and the sales team. So Odoo is defaultly checked linked to an existing customer because we already choose our customer, right? And here we have another two option which is actually creating new customer and not linked to a customer also. And here we have the sales team information, like we can select our sales team. So here I'm going to select a pre-sales sales team, and we can easily assign this to a salesperson also. So I'm going to assign this to John Doe. And once we done all with this wizard, we can just hit the button which is called convert opportunity. So let's see. It is converted to an opportunity. So we directly enter to the CRM side. So let's see if it is done in the CRM or not. Let's see. So let's move back to the CRM module. Here we are. And let's see. We can remove my pipeline from here. Yeah, here it is. So our process is done, like our ticket is converted to an opportunity very easily. Right here. So the rest of the things all the follow-up can do by the salesperson very easily. We can see that he can enter the expected revenue, probability is already here, and he can done the closing date and everything. So that's how it is to turn a customer question into a sale opportunity in Odoo Helpdesk module. So no retyping, no confusion, just smooth handoff from the support to sales, right? So I hope you all understand this video. If you like this video, to subscribe, share with your friends, and have a nice day. Thank you.